MBONIT, aka the Viper, aka the Sniper. You know what's but we gonna make this shit work, you know what I'm saying? Tupac Shakur. What's up everybody, I go by the name MBONIT, aka the Viper, aka the Sniper, and I'm here with Tens. Yeah, exactly, that's what you're supposed to see now. Yeah. Okay, anyways, I'm here with Tens, and today we are having a very special video for you. I mean, only you, okay? Make sure you grab your popcorn and shit. So, we're here in a location which I don't know. This is my first time being here. First of all, where is this place? Explain to them. Can you explain?
So yeah,
okay.
This is called Silk Road and it's in Masnuka Tila. It's a really nice place and a cool place too. You can hang out and there are like so many drinks and you know foods, Tibetan foods you can get. So yeah, check it out.
Yeah, you should check it out. For those of you who don't know, this is my friend Tens, and I'm here to try their Tibetan food. I have never tried, right?
Yeah.
Which one am I trying?
Yeah, right now you're trying both dry noodles. Yeah.
Huh?
Both dry noodles.
Both dry noodles. That's what I'm trying now. So I'm gonna give you guys the feedback if it's good. Or if I'm going to be honest, seriously, okay, if you have a friend, I'll be honest. I will tell you. If it's nice, I will tell you guys. So let's just wait till the food come. Thanks. What you got? What you have there?
It's called PP, Bender Sprite.
What is it?
It's alcohol.
Alcohol.
So you guys, kids shouldn't try this.
Don't try this at home.
Yeah.
So you guys, alcohol. Me, I don't take alcohol. I got my strawberry shake. Taking his alcohol. Enjoy, bro. Enjoy. So this is what you said again?
Both gravy noodles.
Puff gravy noodles. This is my first time of trying this delicious food. I don't know, but I have one problem though. I don't know how to use this chopstick. That is a big problem for me. Take.
Good. Here.
Okay, use it. Teach me.
Like this. You have to put your finger like this. It's too
Okay.
simple, bro.
Okay, hold this. Hold this. See, I have a big problem. I don't know how to use these chopsticks. So you have to excuse me if I fucked up. Already let you know I don't know how to use it. So how do you say it?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. You have to use your fingers, like 2 fingers. Yeah. And the middle one.
I just only eat this one. No. I can't.
Yeah. You can.
Better, bro. It's easy. Technology.
Yeah. This chopstick is like our traditional. The way we used to eat. We use this chopstick. How is it, bro?
Man, let me try the noodle first. Am I going to mix it together with this?
Yeah.
vegetable?
Mix it all together.
Yummy. I kind of like it.
Yeah, you should.
Yo, I'm not even lying. I like this food. But we are only having one problem here. I don't know how to use this chopstick. I can't. My fork is okay for me. F-U-C-K. It's okay for me. Look at how he's eating with his chopstick. Eat with the chopstick. Wow. I can, bro. I can. I just have to use this one, and it's not even good eating with left hand, so I have to switch. Right hand always. Hey, Zibanya, babalo, babalo. Hey, Zibanya. Shit. Oh my God. Hey, Zibanya, babalo, babalo. See, we are the only one in here, I mean. You know, it's a VIP.
VIP.
VIP. Everywhere that I go, I'm VIP. When I go to London, I'm VIP. This food is delicious, bro. Come help me, please. I can't finish mine. We go chop better food. They pray make a for. They no one make a chop. Come help me, please. I can't do this on my own. I need your help. I'm talking to you. Yeah. But wait. Like this video first. Like. I'm waiting for you. Subscribe. Subscribe. I say, you know the hear word. Can't you hear me? I say subscribe. Okay, like. Okay, thank you. I really appreciate it. Say thank you. Say thank you at least. They subscribe.
Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope you have a good day. And please don't forget to subscribe and like. Yeah.
Gang shit, you know he gotta plug his boy, you know what I'm saying? He gotta plug me though. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Stand up. No, I'm kidding.
Rise slow, like a gold. Pulling up and breathing. Which one? Wait, watermelon or mango? Watermelon. We've been going back and forth. Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad, but I'm gone. I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see you, my girl. I understand that there's some problem, and I'm trying to let you know all the things you kept inside you. Out there, we gotta keep trying. Now I'm saying.
Yeah, come on. You got this. Yes.
I've always tried being the cool one. Let me think. This is my first time.
Yeah, it's alright. So you got like.
On a time I've been lying you for a long time. Wanna make you bring, wanna make you out the right time. Who's that boy? You were cheating at the wrong time. Cause I'm back.
I've been here with my brothers drinking all weekend, smoking weed, throwing up, but that's all I want, man. Yeah, life is short, you know. We gotta do what we can. Yeah. Not much time for love and my time for my brothers. I don't really care for any woman really go red. Yeah, man, I'm done.
Hey, yo, I'm killing on the job though. I will never stop. I'm ballin', I make it trade, money fallin'. Get me falling my phone, they keep calling. I'm a hustler, y'all know the cheat code. Hey,
I've been spending 40-second blocks till I'm dizzy. Like where is he? No, I see him. I'm trying to clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit that, I hit 9%, 13 hours till I land. Have me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, passenger for serious and injections in this.
Goosebumps every time. I wanna best my life, yeah. I wanna press my. I wanna green light. I wanna be like. I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna be that right, yeah. I wanna press my line. I wanna green like. With the pussy on the high floor, with the pussy in the top floor, that pussy to die for. Be the piper.
Worry about the sounds. I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time.
I need a high.
Throw that to the side, yeah. I will be loving you till 70.
Yeah. It's okay, bro.
Baby, my heart is
Don't even nothing.
oh,
Didn't change.
hey,
No.
hey, sweet like candy cake. Hey, hey, yeah, hey.
like I cannot change. Hit it, like the main. Everything.
Yo, what's up, guys? What's up?
It's fucking Treyway.
Treyway.
So I guess I just want to talk to you guys. And my friends have been having fun, you know, all day long, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, it's fun. And we're out here, you know, just to make video for you guys, you know. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. So let's keep on moving, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta go introduce my friends, okay? Right now. I got them in the building, don't worry, you know them.
What's up, guys? What's up? How you guys doing, man? I know you guys miss me a lot. I got a new haircut. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, he got a new haircut. And
hey, man, gang, what's up, man? Everything good? Gucci, man.
yes, what's up, man? This is Juliet. Yeah, it's fucking Treyway. Tess is busy. Tess is busy singing. So those are my friends. Oh shit. Sorry, I wasn't seeing. I almost broke something out there. See, seriously, we didn't even have any plan, you know. We don't plan anything. We're just out here, you know, just having fun, you know what I'm saying? Just doing we. I dedicated this video to all of you, so make sure you enjoy. You know, lately I have been like busy with my school stuff. I haven't been making videos, but you know, you have to do something, you know what I'm saying? So I'm out here doing this video for you guys. Make sure you guys enjoy. I don't know if you guys can hear me because you know it's kind of loud out here, but it's all, you know, we all Gucci.
There's no place I'd rather be in this world. Eyes open, I'm lost in it, baby. Versace on the floor.
Hey.
Sing it all for me, now, girl. Versace on the floor. I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. I can't breathe, but I still fight. Well, I can't fight as long as the wrong bitch fight. As long as we fight, I ever love dropping my head. It's like an open pain. I love it the more I suffer. I suffocate, and right before I'm tired. But darling, stay with me. We just need a slow the motion. Don't get away at all. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see through. If you went to me,
How do you feel now?
Man, this dance is taking energy, bro. I'm feeling tired as fuck. Huh? Look at I'm sweating and shit. Bro, you can't do this. You can't. And if you can, I'ma put you to the test. Believe me, you can't do this. It's only us that can do this. Bro, for real though, I'm tired.
Walk it like a truck, walk it like a truck. All set, ready, rock it, watch it, watch it, break that. You never been pull up, jumping down. You got cash, my brother got straight up. We didn't take this dance with it, make my feet backstage. Sit so high in those days, fly like a fire.
I never knew you weren't stronger than anyone I know. She says my dreams